Hello everyone, welcome to Math in Love. Solve your math problem with Merta. How was your day, guys? I hope everyone in a good condition. Please take care of your health because now it's still pandemic. If you come out from your home, don't forget to use a mask and don't forget to do physical distance. I'm so happy now because I can make this video for you guys. Even it's just a video, I'm so happy because with this video I can meet you guys. Even if just a virtual meeting, I think. Okay, guys, before we continue the lesson now, maybe some of you do know about me yet, so let me introduce myself. My name is Nengah Merta Arianti, and I'm from 3A of Mathematic Education, and my last three student ID number is 004. In today's video, we are going to discuss about proportional logic. So, let's begin our lesson now. So, what we will learn today? Today we will learn about intro to proportional logic, syntax of proportional logic, connective between proportional logic, and English translation, and then the truth value or the truth tables of proportional logic. Let's start now. When we're talking about proportional logic, we will concern to a statement that have a truth value. So what is a statement? A statement is a declarative sentence that have truth value that can be true or false. When we write the truth value of the statement, we can use T for true and then F for false. So how about the example of the statement? Here we have some example of the statement. First, today is Monday. I'm sorry, today is Monday. This is statement because it can be true or false. Then, Samsung is from Tiongkok. This is statement 2. Samsung is from South Korea. So, this statement is false. Then, 2 plus 1 equals 4. This is statement 2, which the truth value is false because 2 plus 1 is 3. Then the last one, Dita is an Indonesian K-pop idol. This is a statement, and then the statement is true. How about the non-example? Sentence with variable, comment, and question is not a statement. For example, 2x plus y equals 10. This is not a proportion statement because it contains a variable, which is that is x and y. Then open the door. That is not a statement because that is a comment. And then, are you happy now? It's not a proposition statement because it is a question. So that is about the introduction about propositional logic and the example and the non-example. Next, we are going to talking about syntax of propositional logic. So, proposition or statement are denoted with capital letter like this P, Q, R, and the text. For example, P today is rainy day, and then Q Harry goes to school, or the other example. And then the lowercase letter like P, Q, R, and the next like this is used for general propositions that have no meaning. It's used them for general verbs. So when we write P and Q, we need the translation, but when we use P, Q, and R, we didn't need the translation. Next is about connective between proportion statements. So this is these are some relation of connective between proportion statements. So P is a well-formed formula or wolf. Well-formed formula it means that this syntax can be used. And then the second one is not P. It's a wolf too. So this symbol is called not P and that is a negation. And then there are P and Q. So these symbols write as, read as P and Q, and it's called a conjunction. And then we have a P or Q. So these symbols is read as P or Q, and this is a disjunction. And then the last one is around Q, or these symbols can be read as if P then Q. It's called conditional, like this. So this all is a connective between a proportion statement. Now we will learn about how to translate the propositional logic or propositional statement into English. For example, we have P as I go to school, then Q as I late, and R as I will get coached, and S as I will be punished. So we need to translate this to English. So here we have arrows symbols. So it's mean that is a if then statement. So if and then. So then here we have and. So we write and here we have and too. So and then P is I go to school. So here we write P. We write I go to school, and then here is Q is I late. So here we write I late, and then I will get coach. So here we write I will get coach, and then the last one is S, and I will be punished, and then this is. So we can translate P and Q, if P and Q, then R and S into if I go to school and I late, then I will get coached and I will be punished. So you see, that is the translate. Let's go to example. Now we will translate into a propositional logic. Here we have a statement like this. If today is not rainy day, then I will go to Bali. I will go to Bali Zoo or playing badminton with my brother. So here we have if and then. So we need a row. And then here, today is not rainy day. If today is rainy day is P, then today is not rainy day is not P. So we need not P. And then here I will go to Bali Zoo or playing badminton with my brother. I will go to Bali Zoo as you, and here we have a or, and then playing badminton with my brother is R. So this will be E or R. So the propositional logic for this statement is not if not P, then Q or R. To make sure you understand about what we discussed before, let's do this exercise. Here we have a sum sentence, 1 until 5, and then we need to determine which is a statement and which is not a statement. First, Barack Obama was born in Indonesia. This is a statement because it has a truth value, and that is false. And then we have 20x plus 4y equals 20. This is not a statement because it contains x and y, which is a variable. Then we have I'm so happy now. Yes, this is a statement because it has truth value that can be true or false based on each person. And then, who is your favorite Korean idol? It's not a statement because it is a question. And then, tell me about your hobby. No, it's not a statement because it is a comment. So the statement is just the first and the third sentence. Now let's do the other exercise. Here we need to translate this statement into a proportional logic. So here we have, if I have a lot of money, I will go to my favorite band concert and join a fansign event. So here we need the arrow because there are if. So if P then Q and R. Then the second one, finishing my job before weekend is necessary for my first EXO concert this Sunday. If finishing my job before weekend is P and then my first EXO concert this Sunday is Q, it will be P necessary Q. P is necessary for Q is mean that Q if Q then P. Now we will talking about the truth value. As what I said before, a statement is a declarative sentence that have a truth value that can be true or false. So here we have P and Q as the first statement. So here we need a negation of P or not P. So if not P, when P is true, not P will be false. And when P is false, not P will be true. And then how about the conjunction of P and Q? P and Q is truth when P equals Q. So P and Q is true when P and Q true and P and Q false. So if it's just P or it's just Q who are true, P and Q will be false. Then P or Q. P or Q will be true when the P or Q, at least P or Q is true. So P or Q will be true when P and Q true, P true, and false true. And P or Q will be false when P and Q is false. Then the last one is P arrow Q or if P then Q. If P then Q will be false only if the true statement follows by false statement or the false statement leads to true statement. So if P and Q are true, if P then Q is true, and if like this, it will be true. If P and Q is false, it can be true too. But if P is true and Q is false, if P then Q will be false. Okay, that's about the truth value of the truth table of the propositional logic. Okay, everyone, because we have talked about intro to propositional logic and then the definition, the example of the statement, the syntax, the corrective, and also we did the exercise and talked about the truth value or the truth table of propositional logic. I think it's enough from for now. So let's end our class now. And please stay healthy and be happy. See you in the next class. Goodbye, everyone.